Hey, that's Mike and Holly, Alex, Eddie, and Chelsea.
Okay, you guys, it is time for Find It Friday, our first one in a very long time. So this is Chelsea's koala bear. What's its name?
I have no name for it yet.
No name koala bear. Okay,
Just a koala.
Koala. So we will have koala in the background in part of the vlog. Leave down in the comments below where koala is for your chance for a shout out, random shout out in tomorrow's vlog. Hey, mommy and sister just cleaned out mommy's car. It was full of pixie dust. Dust and hair. Actually, the biggest mess was probably from Chelsea. But anyway, been meaning to clean out my car. Was really wanting to take Pixel somewhere to splash around in water, but our weather cooled off and then it's getting warm again next week, and I just keep putting off cleaning out my car because I was wanting to take her somewhere. But there was a whole lot of sand in there from the beach the other day, or the lake. I don't even know what to call it. It's a beach, I guess. So I went ahead and vacuumed it out and cleaned it all out, and it had all kinds of eddy snot on the windows. Some of it might have been Pixie's too. So anyway, my car is all clean, you guys, just so that you can junk it all up again probably next week. What did you just ask me?
I'm not saying it again.
Oh, come on, it was so cute.
No.
She said, Mom, will you cut up my hot dog so the hot air will fly out of it?
Yeah.
Whoosh away. Okay, so we have a little surprise for Chelsea. She has been outside playing with her friends all day long again today, right? Mm-hmm. Making friends all over the neighborhood, having a good time. But we have a surprise for Chelsea. Tonight, we need you to go ahead and shower and change your clothes because we are going to go watch fireworks. Like great big fireworks up in the sky, go boom fireworks. Does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so so they're having fireworks tonight for the 4th of July. So this is...
but today is the 4th of July.
Today's not 4th of July, but the way they do it up here is they usually celebrate like a day or two early, I guess. So they're having fireworks and we're gonna go check it out. Go see our 4th of July fireworks. So we're celebrating 4th of July a couple days early. Sound good?
Yeah.
You want to go see some fireworks? Yeah. Okay, I need you to...
But it's not even close to dark.
I know, but by the time you shower and get ready and all that, and the time we drive there, it'll be dark. That's why they're not setting them off till like 10 o'clock at night, because it doesn't get dark till like 10 here. I know, right?
I'm gonna get to stay up at 10.
You're gonna get to stay up late, yeah. One-handed.
Now I already did notice it sticks a little.
Uh-oh, what, in the cup holder? Or the lid sticks?
Oh, that was full. No, like the rubber stop sticks there. Oh, that's why.
What?
Look
what
at me.
do you got going on?
It's
yeah,
not,
you're all wet.
It's not screwed on all the way. I didn't screw it
Oh,
on.
jeepers. Is that why it
works.
was sticking?
No, but that's why it chugged out so fast. There was air leaking into it, so it all came rushing out.
Oh my god.
No, it's just like, I think the rubber it's just part of what it is. My old one did that too. Sometimes it just sticks, so it doesn't quite open as easy all the time.
Yeah, I see what you mean. You need to become a water bottle designer.
I do. I need to design my water bottle.
Okay, we are here. We
Think?
have no idea what we'll be able to see and not see, so we might
I don't
have
even
to...
know if we're pointing in the right direction.
There's a lake over there,
Yep.
but there's also lakes over there. So
Well,
we'll see.
that's Muck Lake. This is the lake.
Oh, the good lake, so
yeah,
it should be
so
over
it's
there.
got to be over this way
Lovely.
somewhere. Are we ready? Any minute now.
I think we're ready. Somebody, I'm bored. When's it gonna start? I'm like, dude, we've been here like 5 minutes. Calm down, have some patience. Be glad we made it because we sat in a
There you go.
line of cars. Or you might have to step out into the grass.
Oh, wow. Found the fireworks.
Are you all right?
And I'll wait for a pause and then show you guys where we actually are. Well, I guess you probably can't see that well.
Can you see me? Oh, whoa.
We're on the edge of a lake because you can see the reflection. Like on the skirt of some woods.
Hey guys,
Look at me. Ooh, that was cool. It's like a spiral.
Dad, you go.
Do I have to turn around?
You gotta watch now.
Do it, man.
Wow. Oh, there's cars over there. They gotta be so close to that.
The best part? No mosquitoes.
Yeah. It's actually only in the 60s too.
Oh,
It didn't rain, it's not humid, and there's not mosquitoes bugging us.
Every year, 4th of July, never failed, it would rain in Florida and be so humid. Whoa. Ooh, I like those. It's like a weeping willow tree.
Wouldn't it be awesome if they had one that's in Michigan?
Oh, yeah. Boy, could you imagine the amount of boats? Oh, that'd be cool. Can you see us now?
And now I can see you guys, yeah.